So today I'm talking about a P0183 code, what it is and how you could go about fixing it. And so what is a P0183 code? Well, it's a field temperature sensor A circuit high input. And so what does this mean? Well, basically many vehicles have this field temperature sensor that's just monitoring the temperature as the fuel and reporting this information back to the computer, which then uses the information to adjust the air-fuel ratio mixture that's going into the cylinders. And basically, since the density of the fuel can change whether it's cold or warm, the computer can use the information to fine-tune the engine no matter what the temperature is. But when you get this P0183 code, the computer's seeing some kind of problem with this sensor, and so it's going to be troubleshooted to know why. And so what would be some possible causes of a P0183 code? Well, the main things that could cause this is either that temperature sensor's gone bad and just needs to be replaced, or there's some kind of issue going on inside the wiring going to the sensor. The field temperature sensor is usually located with the fuel pump inside of the gas tank. Although it can vary, it can depend on the vehicle, the year, the make, the model, things like this. But it's usually located with the fuel pump inside of the gas tank. These field temp sensors are what's called a thermistor, which is a resistor whose resistance changes depending on what the temperature is. So if you have a multimeter, you can go and test it. You can set it to ohms and go and test it and see what the resistance is. And basically what you do is you go and look up what your vehicle's rated resistance is supposed to be at a set temperature. And then you use a multimeter, you go and check it and be sure that it's correct. And if it's not correct and you know it's bad, you know it needs to be replaced. So in this example, if the temperature is 86 degrees Fahrenheit, you should measure roughly 24 ohms. So if you use a multimeter, you go and check the two leads going to that temp sensor. And as long as it's close to that, then that temp sensor is good. And very likely at that point, the problem's inside the wiring going to the sensor. And so if that temp sensor is good, you can go and get wiring schematics for your particular vehicle. Since there is differences, go and check the wiring going back to the computer. And basically be sure there's no open or short, there's no blown fuse or anything like this. Because again, the most common cause of this is going to be either a bad temp sensor or the wiring going to it. One thing to keep in mind with these sensors is that if you live inside of a very cold climate and the temperature gets very cold, usually like negative 30 degrees Fahrenheit, so this isn't going to be too common. But if you do live inside of a very cold climate that gets very cold sometimes, then that can trigger this code that can cause problems. They can't set a P0183 code. So if you do live in a cold climate, be sure to keep that in mind. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to give a basic overview of how you go about fixing a vehicle with the P0183 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.